So I've been doing in online marketing since 2008, and actually before that, 2002. I created my first Pokemon website. I got over 1 million visitors in my first couple of years, all at the ripe age of around 10 or 11. And I can tell you that I've seen literally every way to make money online. And some of them work, some of them don't. We're going to show you one that works today. Just show you one that's proven to work, that I know a lot of people that make a heck of a lot more money than me doing this. And it's basically buying and selling real estate, but online. And so what is this? What exactly is it? It's just buying and selling domain names with value, which is basically almost every .com today. Now, people have done this in the past, and you might think, oh, does that still work in 2020, 2021? Not only does it not just work, it's just like real estate. It just keeps appreciating. So, there's been a Bitcoin run. People are talking about that. But most people, just view this as a way to get rich quick or gambling with Bitcoin. And with this, you're actually getting into the real estate game. So you're applying the same principles from real estate when it comes to the internet. So buying and holding domains of value, up and coming markets such as like crypto. You can buy domain names in the crypto market and hold them, waiting for someone to launch their own brand with that domain name. Heck of a lot easier than trying to say mine Bitcoin. So yeah, you can make $100 a day on average, even with just finding expired domain names. And this is what I wanted to show you guys here today in this video. So this is brand new. And this is exactly what it is software. It's a web bot that will help you find the right domain names that you can flip. So the ones that are already just expired, brand fresh new, this is what you want basically. You're wanting to find domain names that just expired. Perhaps the owner forgot to renew it. So then now is your chance to grab it for literally you can grab it for $10, these domain names in most cases, and then you can sell it back to the business, or you can sell it to a new business or whoever it is, right? It doesn't have to be a business. But yeah, you can walk through this video. But basically what it is a way to make $100 a day legally. Someone's gonna take your domain. Let's say you purchase ryanshaw.net. This is a website I purchased, right? A domain name. I purchased the .net domain name and I forgot to renew it. I'm like, okay, let me just go back and grab it. It's gone. It's taken. So that person that bought the ryanshaw.net domain name, they could have resold it to me, right? Unfortunately, wasn't for sale. So I got ryanshaw.me, which now you can go to and access all my products and training and all that. So I got ryanshaw.me. No, I locked that in. I locked that in for like 10 years. I'm like, okay, just get it as long as I can and then auto renew. So I don't want to lose that domain name again. Unfortunately, there's millions of people losing domain names on a yearly basis, let's say. And so how many are available? Well, just go ahead and grab the software and then make it easier on yourself. So this is just a web bot that will do the hard lifting for you, find the domains, and then help you. I think there's training involved here. So showing you how to list them and then sell them. So domain names that you can pick up for like .com for $10, but then you can buy like other types of domains. There's .net, there's .org, there's so many different types of, not just .com now. So domain names from all the top countries in the world, and there's thousands of opportunities to profit daily. So even if there's 1,000 other people buying the software, there's literally thousands of domain names coming up for auction every single day that are available, ready to purchase. So yeah, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not any type of gambling into Forex or stocks or anything like that, or Bitcoin. This is a legitimate way to make money online through a good amount of time spending. You got to spend a lot of time on this, but if you spend maybe 2 hours per day, 5 days a week, let's say for 90 days, let's say, you could start flipping some of these domain names for good profit. So buying them for $10, selling them for an average, I would say probably $300 to $700, depending. But yeah, so say you buy ryanshaw.net from me, and let's just say I'm not too happy about it, but you bought it from me. Okay, it's how the world works, right? It's my fault. I forgot to renew it. You can contact me like, hey, I'll sell you your domain name back if you really want it. I'll sell it to you for $500. go back and forth in an email or two, and then I'll come back and say, like, hey, how about 300? Sorry, work out a deal. And that's essentially the bidding war. So this is a product that will help you get set up for that if you don't want to figure it out and learn it on your own, which I don't. I know a lot of people doing this. I could offer, I'd be like, hey, coach me on how to do this, and it'll cost them maybe $1,000. With this, you get the training and software for $50 or so. And this is brand new from a trusted friend of mine, Joshua Zamora. He puts out really high quality stuff for I don't know how many years, maybe 6 or 7 years. He's one of the top internet marketers I recommend, probably in the top 5, top 10. And I know his stuff is really incredible. So yeah, I know there's a lot of bad stuff out there on the web, but this is a good one to go after. So if you're looking to make $100 a day and you don't want to do it with say like an agency like I do, or selling your own courses like I do, here's a way you can kind of get in the real estate game without spending a heck of a lot of money. $50 for the software and training, and then just, you're buying domain names for $10. So, you might have to buy a few and then you sell them over time. So you're going to have to hold on to them until you actually get the sale, right? So there is a little bit of an investment here. If you buy, say, like 30 domain names in your first month, it might be something like $300 in investment, and then all you need to do is sell 1 or 2 domains, and you recoup your money, and then you are basically you're just in the real estate game, right? You can be selling 10 domain names a month, which is around $100 per day. So if you want to make $100 a day domain flipping, it's not the most pretty business, and it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it is a legitimate way to make money in 2020, and it will continue just the same. So if you want to make $100 a day, you got to sell about 10 domains per month. If you can do that, maybe it'd be right around $3,000 on average. So on the average domain name. So not too bad profit back, considering it's only $10 or so to buy one domain name. So overall, I would rate this business as far as easy to do. There's no technical skills involved, like 9.5 out of 10. But as far as like my personal preference, this is not something I personally do. It's because it's just not creative for me. Like, it's not a creative type of business. I'm always in the creative space, whether it's video and audio or creating courses or working with clients. And so that's not my really cup of tea, but it could be yours. So that's why I made this video. And this is a trusted friend. So if you want to get involved with this course and this software, we'll leave a link in the description. And feel free to ask me any questions. I have a direct line to Joshua. We're Facebook friends, and we've been at multiple events together, so I'm really connected with him. And I usually don't promote a whole lot of products here on my YouTube channel, but I wanted to give this one a big shout out because I know people are really looking for more and more ways how to make money online right now. If this year has been crazy in 2020. So hopefully that helps, and some kind of like different perspective on how to make money that I usually don't talk about on this channel. See you guys in the next.